Good day. This is the seventh development log on my journey to create my first game. As you can see on screen, this week, I finished doing the main image for the title card, the main menu when you first turn on the game. I finished drawing the image and I designed this one button and a highlighted version of the button. In terms of programming, when I turn on the game, as you can see here, nothing happens when you press the L keys or WSD keys. And clicking on this image doesn't really do anything. But when you click on the button, yep, got sent to this area, the first level. And you can move around, and the camera follows you. So I think my goal for this week is goal number 1. When the mouse is hovering over the button, it will switch to the highlighted version of this. That's goal number 2. Goal number 1, sorry. For goal number 2, is actually input the front moving walking animation for my character. And number 3 is most likely start designing more types of tiles. The surface is grass and the different path tiles. Thank you for joining for this week's development log, and see you all next week.